This town makes many things every day. But how do we measure all that production? One common answer is GDP. GDP is a way to count what the town makes. A finished bunch of bananas can count. The bookkeeper adds it to the count. A new finished wall panel can count too. The bookkeeper adds that as well. A repair service can count too. GDP counts final goods and services. Raw materials are part of the process. Then they become planks. Then the planks become a wall panel. And the panel helps make a treehouse. But GDP should not count the same value again and again. If the final treehouse is counted, the earlier steps are not counted again the same way. A used ladder changing hands is different. Selling something old does not create a new good this year. Borrowing money is not the same as making something new. Moving money around does not automatically add to GDP. Printing more money is not the same as producing more. The count goes up only when real output goes up. Services count too when they are produced now. GDP is not only about physical objects. A new service done this year can count. An old treehouse being resold is different from a new one being built. GDP focuses on new production, not old assets changing owners. Even when something is made before it is sold, it was still produced this year. Production matters, even if the sale comes later. GDP adds up new final goods and services. Imagine this is the town in year 1. In year 2, the town makes more. If the town produces more than before, GDP rises. Higher GDP usually means more new production happened. But higher prices alone do not mean the town made more stuff. If the output is the same, the town did not make more bananas. To understand real growth, we care about the goods and services themselves. GDP helps us compare one year with another. GDP is not the whole story, but it is a useful one. It gives us one way to see the size of the town's economy. The key question is simple. Did the town make more? GDP is one big total made from many smaller pieces. It helps the town see what it really produced. GDP is not magic. It is just a way of adding up production. Ask three things. Is it new? Is it final? And was it produced this year? A new bunch counts. A used ladder resale does not. A repair service does. GDP is a way to look at the whole economy at once. When the later year has more real output, the economy is bigger. GDP goes up when a town makes more useful goods and services. GDP is a way to measure how much an economy produces.